Vosika chiklo ni phai inkora hiniar ni USA Washington DC arong Sophia long ke do White House along India Prime Minister Narendra Modi lapen Chairman and CEO General Electric lapen General Electric Aerospace as CEO H Lawrence Club Jr. angbong mai doponlo labang so mai long jesemet India lapen USA Strategic Partnership lapuan so se ke pangtang pon thuji aphan jingki chethan paduponlo India Prime Minister Narendra Modi, United States of America kahumri kadodambom aporahud, General Electric lapen Hindustan Aeronautics Limited mate HAL angbong, sitame kacherapen, Indian Air Force Tejas fighter aircraft upon India longamat F414 fighter jet engines kaselam ponchi aphan lamdon kachetok paduponlo. Labangso lamdon kachetok pon laki det hiniang bong ke pajir po along isiket hedung akichunang theklo pusi hokponlo. Labangso lamdon along pen jesemet India amithang kachesalam fighter jet Tejas light combat aircraft MK2 aphansi F414 engine selam pidun po. Chairman and CEO General Electric lapen General Electric Aerospace as CEO H Lawrence Club Jr. hin pen ke pachini pon atingki labangso lamdon laki phurki molong isi ke thedung alamdon chemanlo. Lapuson kichun de laki India lapen Hindustan Aeronautics Limited lapen General Electric atum ajir kiding ploi pen ke pajir po lapen kachirapon ale luputang thanpon. President Joe Biden lapen Prime Minister Narendra Modi atum USA lapen India det hiniang bong kachirap kachito lapen ke pacheton pon akimangalong arpu ke dodun ke ningarong pik luputa thanpon thu. General Electric Aerospace atum India aderalong non-head pen le kevang kedo kalilo. Labang so agency laki kedamtang ningkan plikep aprang pensi India long akengkam nang kachibi donlo. GE Aerospace atum jesemet awar saiki pipon laki engines, avionics, services, engineering, manufacturing lapen local sourcing henlo. Lapen Aeronautical Development Agency mati ADA anparta Hindustan Aeronautics Limited pen kedengpon light combat aircraft a project along sitami kichengsi F404 engines lapen non F414 engines kaselam along sitami chirapdun thupo. United States along India Prime Minister Narendra Modi kichengsi state visit ke pato ponahut halapu International Space Mission ahin anat thu sitami National Aeronautics and Space Administration mate NASA lapen Indian Space Research Organization mate ISRO atum cherap lapet pen surihini ra inkora pliahut International Space Station mate ISS along pen Artemis Accord along cherap dunji aphan chedon ponrentilo. World Dex Report Karbing Long Lai.